In this module, we will explore the usefulness of psychometric tests to evaluate the logical and cognitive abilities of your people. First of all, what do we mean by psychometric tests? Let's take a look right away. Psychometric tests are evaluative tools designed to measure an individual's cognitive and reasoning abilities. They provide an in-depth analysis of logical skills and problem-solving abilities, which are essential in many professions. These tests are useful for assessing how candidates tackle challenges, process complex information, and make decisions under pressure. Among the main benefits, these tests allow for an objective measurement of a candidate's abilities, thereby supporting unbiased, data-driven selection decisions. Psychometric tests are primarily used during recruitment processes to obtain a clear picture of candidates' abilities and skills. These tests help identify who possesses the necessary skills for a specific role, ensuring that TEH recruitment process is driven by concrete assessments rather than just subjective impressions. The questionnaire consists of 40 various exercises that include pattern recognition, questions that require identifying the figure that stands out from the others or that completes a series, testing observation skills and deductive reasoning. Verbal comprehension, exercises based on short texts where the candidate must evaluate the statement related to the text and choose the correct option, measuring their ability to understand and interpret the text. Logical sequence, analysis, problems that ask the candidate to analyze sequences of letters or numbers to deduce hidden logics or rules. These exercises are designed to stimulate different areas of the candidate's critical and analytical thinking. The result of the test is a comprehensive report that summarizes the measured competence levels. In this report, we find response times indicates how long the candidate took to answer each exercise, providing insight into their ability to work under pressure. Errors made, a list of mistakes offering a view of the candidate's areas of weakness. Provided answers, a summary of the responses given for each exercise. Overall analysis, an evaluation of the candidate's logical, attitudinal, and problem-solving skills, with suggestions for potential development areas. This detailed report helps HR managers better understand candidates' capabilities and make informed decisions during the recruitment process.